bottles. It's hot. Good morning.
Morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Welcome to Venice Day 3.
Day 3. It is, yes, Day 3.
I was going Day 3 vlog. We are actually out and at 'em this morning.
Yeah, we were up and we were walking.
Early.
We are sweating.
And it is so hot. Like, it's not even that hot in temperature, so I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's extra humid or what.
I think I'm wet.
Yeah,
I look like I've had a shower.
Like my hair, I don't know why I even wore half of it down because it's wet, which is disgusting. But we are waiting to get on like a little boat with a bunch of other people to go around 2 of the islands. Which islands, babe?
We are going to Burano, and Torcello.
And it's a 6-hour experience, and
like hopping on and off.
We don't really know what it will be like or anything, but we're excited. Will found it.
Shout out to booking.com.
Wasn't sure if like what it would be like, but I'm
basically
sure,
have no idea.
Yeah, but I'm sure it'll be great. Obviously it'll be beautiful. Today's a very hot day, so it'll be interesting to see how we survive. Will.
I think I might get sunburnt.
Yeah, we did bring sun cream. We have water.
We did, yeah. We got a lot of water. We have grapes.
Yeah.
And we're gonna get lunch on one of the islands.
Yep. And it will be a great time. And TBD on what happened for the rest of today. I think we might even do a gondola.
Maybe.
Potentially, if we feel like we have the energy for it. Not that it's hard to sit on.
The energy for it.
No, but we. Well.
I woke up feeling a little bit under the weather this morning.
That's what I mean. If you want to rest, jeez, you keep attacking me. I'm just trying to look out for you.
I think I'd rather rest in a gondola.
Yeah, so, I mean, we'd love to do a gondola, but we just have to see where the day takes us. So where we are currently is like a 35-minute walk from where we're staying, so we just have to like make that trek back.
And we powered the walk this morning because we were late.
I know.
Surprise, surprise.
I know. So, but yeah, Will's wearing his cute little Supreme tee. Looks very boat ready. It's
very wet as well now.
And nice little shoes. I'm wearing just like an all-black outfit.
Very cute.
Little skirt, tennis shoes. I'll show you my hair if you didn't see in the vlog.
Oh wow, that's nice, babe.
But now my hair is literally so sweaty, so all my hair may go up in a bun because I don't know if I can handle it. But anyways, we'll bring you along when there's something more exciting to go on. Currently just waiting.
Woo!
The guy playing with the glass.
Yeah, so he's just like rubbing the rims of the glass, and each glass has different level of water in.
Yeah, I know, babe.
It's amazing.
It's insane. It's incredible. So we are at our first stop.
Burano.
Okay. It's like so many people around us. This is kind of embarrassing vlogging. You know, do it for the people. So we literally just got the boat. We watched a glass blowing.
That was amazing.
Moment. It was literally so incredible. People are so talented. And now we're just walking around, about to go probably over this bridge. It's very cute everywhere. And we'll let you know what we get up to. Having a great time so far. Got your snack. Focaccia. Look at my freaking bug bites. I think we earned this after our walk this morning.
I think these will be spicy.
What are they?
I think they're jalapenos, aren't they?
I think you're about to find out. Are they?
They're not spicy.
Probably good for you.
But they're not like, oh yeah, you see the seeds right in the middle?
Yeah, this is my favorite. I'm a pickle fan, so I'm thrilled about the. Guess who had the right. Okay, talk. Out of breath. Guess who knew where to turn, but someone else said that's wrong and almost missed the boat, you know? Just kidding, we didn't almost miss the boat. We're clearly fine. Lots of people waiting. But we did start approaching a dead end, so.
Then Amber was like, that's a dead end. That's a dead
end.
That's a dead end.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, we just missed the turn. Thankfully made it onto the boat. it would have left without this otherwise, so.
Right, we are at Burano. It's the one with the colourful buildings.
It's so cute.
Very cute. Pictures incoming.
What's in front of us?
I know, look at all these different colours, and then we're going to go up to this bridge over here, and we're going to stand and get some pictures on there. Document this moment. I was talking to Annabelle, the love of my life, and she said, and I quote, "I don't enjoy online shopping."
I don't, Will.
Biggest lie ever.
No, that's not true. It's actually not true.
Go on, my love, explain yourself.
No, but do you not know me?
Yes, and you love an online shop.
Okay, where do I online shop from? Tell me.
Amazon.
Okay, besides what I just said, if I'm looking for like a specific thing, like water shoes, for instance, or a packing cube, I went to Amazon before we moved. But otherwise, like what brands, clothing brands do I online shop from?
Well, you prefer charity shops, don't you?
I thought I love an online shop.
No, you do love it.
Where do I online shop from though? Literally besides Amazon, which everybody uses on the face of the earth, pretty much. I love this educational
like
moment
Next to like New Look or something? I think we both have points. Okay,
Will is incorrect for one. I do shop on Amazon sometimes. I did more recently before we were traveling because we didn't have a lot of time and we bought a lot of last minute things while we were moving our house, but
as a rule,
obviously if you can't do Amazon, I think it's better. I think we all know that though.
I think everyone knows that, but
yeah,
we just love the Prime too much, don't we?
But no, because I pretty much get everything from a charity shop, or if it's house stuff, I do a lot of Facebook Marketplace for furniture or Goodwill.
Facebook Marketplace? That's online?
But yeah, so I guess Facebook, so I secondhand online.
Secondhand.
I don't think that's really what you meant though.
I wonder if there's a big online charity shop.
So the issue with clothing shopping online for me is that I feel like every single brand, which I think everybody struggles with,
girlfriend.
It's like different sizes. Like my size isn't consistent, so I really struggle with shopping online because I just feel like looking online, waiting for it to come in, then trying it on, then returning. I'd rather just be able to go in person, try something on, feel good, have my size options there, pick a different one. The battery just died. As I was explaining that, she makes me think I need to stop talking about it. But no, genuinely, okay, so I guess...
I like buying jeans
What I really meant, clothing shopping online. I mean, I thrift everything, so that doesn't really work. There's a few online charity shop type things, but...
Are there?
Clothing, yeah, there's a thing called Vinted, and there's like a few different ones, but...
Not sponsored.
Yeah, basically though, clothing shopping in person, I just prefer, which I know like isn't that common anymore since like COVID, everybody just loves online. COVID killed me clothes-wise because I'm a charity shopper and they were closed, so it's like I can't do it.
Store, charity
Anyways,
shop.
Obviously behind us is beautiful as we're talking about all this silly stuff. It's gorgeous. We just had some yummy pasta, we had carbonara and some wine.
Yummy. The white wine was delightful.
It was, but anyways, Will's giving me a hard time because this wonderful brand, this all started, reached out and was like, hey, you want to look at our website? You can look at, oh, let me show you really fast. Literally, what?
Oh yes, tell them why this all started.
Yeah, this all started because this wonderful brand, which hopefully, you know, I get to work with in the future, like reached out and was like, Annabelle can pick out some stuff or look at our clothing. We have hair stuff. We have like kind of like custom home stuff, which is obviously incredible. And Will was like, just look, and it's a really big website. And I was like, no, like I need time to like divulge in this website because it like,
divulge.
It like overwhelms.
Time to permeate the website.
It like overwhelms me. There's like so many things, and it's like all of it looks so good. And I'm like, wait, but what would my size be? Like I have to like, it's not just like a quick like little.
Can you order multiple sizes?
I have to like. I don't know, I have to like really suss it out.
Oh yes, yeah. Last time this happened with the brand, I was measuring Annabelle's waist with a tape measure.
Yeah, because I was like, I don't want to get it wrong, I don't want them to send me something that doesn't fit me. But yeah, that was kind of why this all started. Will's like, you love an online shop, and I was like, incorrect. It's not my norm, William.
Okay, I think you can see this. Surely you can. They're fish, but they're all like in the shade. They're not in the sun. They're just hanging. Oh, a few in the sun. Mostly in the shade, hanging out. Alright guys, little fun fact for you. Back in the day, when this place first started, we're at Torcello. There were 20,000 people living here, maybe 25,000. Now
there are.
The population is less than 10. 10, not 10,000, 10.
We're like, wait, what?
Mental, absolutely mental. Also, if you guys saw Venice Day 1 vlog, which I encourage you to go back and have a watch a few days ago that was posted, one of our suitcases came through from EasyJet with one of the wheels missing. Yeah, so there was one wheel that was dodgy on there, admittedly, but there were like 3 of them were absolutely fine. And
one of the solid ones just.
And it was one of the solid ones just snapped off completely.
It was like not even dodgy.
Like,
it was like goodbye.
We're like, what the heck is going on? So anyway, well, no, it wasn't that funny at the time.
No, it's fine.
Wheeling that through Venice was a challenge.
We found a suitcase we're actually gonna buy in the meantime, I think.
Yes, so we're gonna have to buy one, obviously, because we can't. Yeah, because we need one like today. Anyway, got an email back from EasyJet being like, oh, like don't you worry, we're gonna send you a replacement one. So happy days. So I chose a replacement one that I liked, and then they're gonna send it through.
Yeah, so we're really excited about that because we honestly didn't have high hopes that they would do anything about it.
Yeah.
We just don't really know because they asked for a lot of details.
Because they asked for a receipt and all, like from when I first bought the case.
So we provided as much information as we had and like all the pictures, but you're kind of like, we don't, airlines, it's kind of hit or miss, so.
Yeah. And EasyJet were a hit, so.
They said they're going to send us a replacement. I don't think that's going to come for quite a while. That's cute.
Yeah, so I don't know where they're going to send it. I don't think they're going to send it to us now. They might send it to our home address.
Yeah, or your parents' house, but eventually, probably in the next year, we eventually will receive that.
In the next year.
That's what we say, because we're moving back to California, so we're like, we'll get it.
I wonder if we can get them to send it to the US.
Yeah, I don't know.
Anyway, the saga continues. So that's the crack.
So we will get it eventually, which is nice.
Thanks, EasyJet.
So we stopped somewhere that's absolutely beautiful. It literally gives me like Italian vineyard feelings. I don't know if that's accurate, but that's what it feels like. And we're having gelato, and they had like maybe like 4 or 5 flavors because, I mean, it's just crazy. Like this place has like less than 10 people. So all the employees must commute to work, I guess. But anyways, so I got lemon, which is like one of my favorite gelato, whether that's like sorbet or it's like my favorite. And Will was gonna get chocolate, and I don't think they had it, so we got strawberry. Isn't it good?
Yeah, very nice.
You said strawberry's your favorite when you were little.
It was.
And we just also got some Aperol Spritz. So I'm really struggling through this boat too.
€3.50 each, the Aperol Spritz.
It's quite a lot of liquid as well. These wasps keep coming.
There are some wasps that quite like Annabelle, which is understandable, really.
No, but there's like, it's not just that I'm like, oh.
Should we just set this up?
I'm allergic.
Yeah,
I'm allergic to wasps.
Well, you think you are.
As far as I'm aware from a reaction from a wasp I had when I was a child.
Then we can cut it down to the front bits.
Okay, I'm either allergic to a wasp, this is 2 options, or the wasp that stung me. The wasp that stung me when I was a child stung something else that was super poisonous before me, and that is why I had a reaction. Don't know exactly why.
Cheers.
It literally like landed on my phone while the phone was in my hand. I'm like, freaking, we put your gelato over there for you.
It landed on your hand. It was right there. Hey, maybe she wants to say hi.
The thing is, I have nothing wrong with wasps. I just feel like if I actually get stung and had a reaction, this would not be a good position for me to be in, to have a reaction.
What, here?
Yeah, while we're not even close to where we're staying.
I'm sure there's a hospital. I'm sure some of the 10 people...
hospital? What are they?
Run a hospital.
No, I wouldn't need to go to the hospital. I would just need to like...
About it.
No, there's like stuff you can do for stings if you are having a response. Like I'd have to get antihistamine and probably
I'm sure they have antihistamine.
Put something on it. No, I know, but we have to be on the boat in like 30 minutes. So let's not try and do all that in the next like 25 minutes. We literally stuck I don't know if you can see. We literally put our gelato over there because they were loving our gelato like cups. So we put them over there. And they still come after me. That's fine. Flies can be here. Flies are allowed. This isn't funny. This is my real life. Stop. No, my drink isn't for you. Will?
No, you're gonna bring up the wasps over here. Go away. No, not in, just on. Hey, we're in rural Italy. Of course we're gonna be wasps. Did you like the boat tour, Annabelle?
Yes.
Yes, you did. What would you give it out of 10?
I feel like it was a 10 out of 10. There's nothing I did.
Oh, 10 out of 10?
Besides how freaking hot it is, which has nothing to do with the boat tour.
Nothing to do with the boat tour. Let's just be clear.
Honestly, it's great.
Right, so now we're walking back to our place. Oh, fruits everywhere.
Hello, you guys. So it's been like many hours since the last clip you saw. We like trekked home and it was so freaking hot, so we came back, immediately showered, thought about going and doing a gondola, but decided that I think we're gonna do it tomorrow morning because we have like an hour free before we head off to Florence. So we're like, okay, let's just do tomorrow. We have to check out our hotel either way. So we literally just chilled. We were so wiped out from our day. It was amazing, but just so tired. And then we just went and got some food. Didn't really go to a restaurant or anything. I got a salad from a grocery store. Will got some pizza from somewhere right by where we're staying. Came back. Been watching some of the show called Echoes. Very interesting. I packed up our bags since we leave tomorrow. And that is just a real life of what's been going on. So we've had a most amazing day. I had the best time. Did you have a good time, Will?
Great time.
Yeah, it was so fun. So we're gonna probably sleep soon. But thank you so much for watching and tuning into another vlog. I hope you guys are enjoying all the vlogs, and let me know down below if you are enjoying them. I would love to know. And I will see you in our next video. I hope you're having a great day from wherever you're watching. All right, love you guys. Bye.